Hey there, I'm Kitchen Kimberly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm especially glad you stopped by today because I'm about to show you how to make my winter citrus salad with raspberry vinaigrette. This salad has elements of all four tastes: sour, salty, bitter, and sweet, so it's a symphony of flavors in every delicious bite. Plus, it's really easy to prepare, and it's a beautiful salad for entertaining. It has all kinds of gorgeous colors and textures, and it's my favorite, and I hope you're going to enjoy it as well. Before we dive into salad, let's make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I don't want you to miss any of the plant-based goodness I have planned for 2019. Let's make salad.
We'll start this recipe by thinly slicing red onion and then dropping it into a bowl of ice water. This allows the sulfuric compounds from the onions to leach out into the water, leaving you with nice mild flavored red onion, which is perfect for your salad. Next up is Belgian endive. I just snip off the top, slice off the end, and then split it right down the middle. Then just put the flat sides down and give it a slice. If you can't find Belgian endive in your area, thinly sliced celery would be a good substitute for this salad. For a mildly bitter flavor and crunch, we're going to add some radicchio. It may look like a small red cabbage, but it's not the same thing. It's got great flavor and texture for this salad. And here's our winter citrus, navel oranges. They're super juicy and delicious this time of year, and I absolutely love the fact that they're seedless. All you need to do to prepare them for this salad is cut off each end and then go all the way around the orange, cutting away the rind and the membrane to expose that beautiful orange fruit. Then just give it a cut in half crosswise and then slice it into bite-sized pieces to enjoy in the salad. We're using 2 navel oranges in this salad, but feel free to add a third orange if you like. You'll notice I just pushed those orange peels off to the side, and that's because I'm going to use them in just a minute. Now we have some remaining orange juice on the cutting board here, and as I slice down the sides of this apple, I'm turning the cut sides down to help just coat that with the orange juice. Once I have the apples in a bowl, I'll pick up those orange pieces and squeeze off that excess juice from the exterior that we peeled away. There's just enough fresh orange juice there to coat these apple slices so that they'll stay crisp and fresh and beautiful in our salad. And now it's time for salad assembly. I find my biggest salad bowl and place 8 cups of baby red butter lettuce. You can use any greens you'd like for this salad, including spinach, arugula, kale, any type of lettuce you like. And then just layer on all of those delicious ingredients that we've prepared. Our final salad ingredients are some dried cranberries and also my favorite, toasted walnuts. Finally, I'm adding a pint of fresh red raspberries. They are simply gorgeous in this salad. And we'll give it a light toss. Listen to the crunch. Just set the salad aside while we make the dressing.
When you're selecting oranges at the grocery store, pick them up and make sure they feel heavy for their size. One that feels heavier will yield more juice. Then, to get those juices flowing, just roll it under the palm of your hand to just get everything kind of loosened up on the inside. Then we're just going to give it a cut right down the middle and juice it. I'm using a Braun juicer today. It's super easy to use. You simply apply gentle pressure and the machine does all the juicing for you. And now we have a half a cup of orange juice, freshly squeezed, for our vinaigrette. And here are all the ingredients that we're putting into our raspberry vinaigrette. Okay, quick confession, I never can remember to soak my raw cashews ahead of time, so I typically use the quick soak method, which is really easy. You simply cover the cashews with water in a small saucepan, bring them up to a boil, turn that off and let them soak for about 15 minutes, then just rinse them, drain them in a mesh strainer like this one. If you saw my last video, you know that Santa came to visit me early and he brought this beautiful Vitamix blender. I'm so excited. So I'm going to use this today to make our dressing. If you don't have a high-speed blender, you can certainly make this in a food processor. First thing we're going to do is put all of our liquids in. And our raspberries, our soaked and drained cashews, and then just pop those dates in. Pop on that lid. And we're ready to roll.
Transfer the dressing to a pretty container for serving and refrigerate the salad and dressing until you're ready to serve.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that I'm making content you enjoy, and I'll continue to do so. Be sure you follow me on social media. You can find me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. So please subscribe to the channel as well. If you know someone who might enjoy this recipe, please share it with them. The printable recipe is on my website, kitchenkimberly.com. So go print that recipe and enjoy winter citrus salad today. I'm Kitchen Kimberly. Remember, you have the power of your own good health right there in your hands. Just look at what's on the end of your fork and make sure it's plant-based. Have a great day.